So hey all guys, welcome back to the channel ERY, and in this video I'm starting a new series for Malaysian Snr in indices. We'll be only trading Nasdaq for this thing, Nas 100 for this thing, and let's show you all guys. Okay, so from top down. Okay, so not even top down, I'll just start with the levels first and then move on to everything. MSNR, right? You already know like how you're supposed to draw the support or support resistance when there is a maximum touches, and then you draw support resistance, right? But in MSNR it's different, and in indices it's more like it's different how you're supposed to trade. We'll be trading only swings, so I'll show you. Like you can also go intraday, but I'll try to show you all guys into swings only. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is, so there are total 5 types of trade levels in this whole trading. What are those? I'll tell you. There is a first buy and a sell candle. There is a sell and a buy candle. There is a buy candle, and there is a sell candle. I'll show you what. As you can see in this case, right, there's a buy and a sell candle, right? So on a line chart, what you'll see is this thing, A level. Okay, so you mark the closing of the buy candle. What happens is it acts as a resistance. Similarly, for the sell candle, sell to the buy candle, support. This you can see the sell to the buy will act as a support. Mark this. On a line chart you'll see a V. That's what a support is. Okay, similarly what happens is when there is a two or multiple buys like this thing, you can see two buys over here, so you mark the first buy candle close, it acts as a support. Again similarly, there's a series of here sell and a sell candle. What happens? Mark the first candle's close, it acts as a resistance over here. Okay, so for this are the candles level today, and see you in the next video. Bye.